Hello students, now we are going to discuss about ionic product of water. So what is ionic product of water? First of all, the definition of ionic product of water. Ionic product of water is the product of molar concentrations of H plus and OH minus ions present in pure water or aqueous solution. So what is ionic product of water? Ionic product of water is the product of molar concentrations of H plus and OH minus ions present in pure water or aqueous solution. So it is denoted by Kw. Ionic product of water is denoted by Kw. So Kw is equals to, it is the product of molar concentrations of H plus and OH minus ions. We all know H plus ion do not exist independently. H plus ion usually combines with H2O to form hydronium ion. Hence, ionic product of water is also written as the product of hydronium ion concentration and hydroxyl ion concentration. And what are the units of ionic product of water? See, for this moles per liter, for this also moles per liter. Now moles square per liter square. We also written the molarity in terms of capital M, molar and molar, or molar square. So Kw is equals to H plus into OH minus ion concentrations. Okay, now the next one is there any relation between ionic product of water and temperature? We will see now that one. See, there is a direct relationship between ionic product of water and temperature. This indicates that when temperature increases, ionic product of water also increases. Based on this statement, we have a assertion and reason question. Assertion is, when temperature increases, Kw value also increases. For this, reason is, when temperature increases, both the concentrations of H plus ion and OH minus ion. Both the concentrations of H plus ion and OH minus ion increases. That's why Kw also increases. So when temperature increases, H plus ion concentration increases and also OH minus ion concentration increases. Hence Kw value is also increases. See, for example, at 25 degrees centigrade room temperature, Kw value can be calculated as 1 into 10 power minus 14 moles square per liter square or molar square. At 25 degrees centigrade, the concentration of H plus ions is 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. In the same way, OH minus ion concentration is also 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. Because Kw is the product of molar concentrations of H plus and OH minus ions, they should be multiplied and the Kw value becomes 1 into 10 power minus 14. At less than 25 degrees centigrade, say for example at 10 degrees centigrade, what is Kw value? Kw value is less than 10 power minus 14 molar square. greater than 25 degrees centigrade, say 70 degrees centigrade, 100 degrees centigrade, Kw value is greater than 10 power minus 14 molar square. So it is the relationship between temperature and Kw value. And next one. Based on the concentrations of H plus and OH minus ions, we can expect the nature of solution. We take 3 cases regarding this. See case number 1. So in the case number 1, for pure water or neutral solution, for pure water or impure water or in a neutral solution, H plus ion concentration is equals to OH minus ion concentration, that equals to 1 into 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. So when both the concentrations are same, what is the nature of solution? Neutral nature. It is neither acidic nor basic. Case 2. But in acidic solutions, H plus ion concentration is more than that of OH minus ion concentration. H plus ion concentration is more than that of OH minus ion concentration. The nature of solution is acidic. This means H plus ion concentration is greater than 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. This indicates to 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 6 molar. And what is OH minus ion concentration? It is less than 10 power minus 7 moles per liter. 10 power minus 8 to 10 power minus 14. So in this case, where H plus ion concentration is more, the nature of solution is acidic. And case 3, in basic solution. In basic solutions, concentration of OH minus ion is more than that of concentration of H plus ion. So when the concentration of OH minus ion increases in the solution, the nature of solution is basic. This means OH minus ion concentration is 10 power greater than 10 power minus 7 for basic solutions. This means 10 power minus 1 to 10 power minus 6. What about H plus ion concentration less than 10 power 7? Means 10 power minus 8 to 10 power minus 40. Depending on the concentrations of H plus ion and OH minus ion, we can expect the nature of solution. Okay. So in the same way, we also calculate the molarity of pure water. Now, see molarity. What is the molarity of pure water? Question is molarity of pure water. Say students, for water, the density of water is 1 gram per ml. Means the weight of 1 ml of water is 1 gram. Weight of 1 ml of water is what? 1 gram. Because density is 1 gram per ml. The same way, per liter, weight of 1000 ml of water is 1000 grams. 1000 grams. And gram molecular weight of water 80. Molarity equals to N by V or N into 1 by V. So V is equals to 1 liter. We are calculating in liter. So So m is equals to n here. N that equals to weight by gram molecular weight. So how much the weight for 1 liter water? 1000 grams divided by gram molecular weight 18. When you calculate, when you simplify this, how much comes? 55.5 comes. Hence, the molarity of pure water is 55.m. The molarity of pure water is 55.5 m. In the same way, we calculate the dissociation constant of water also. Now, dissociation constant. That is Ka. So K for acids A, for base B, dissociation constant of water is. Dissociation constant is also called as ionization constant. Dissociation constant is also called as ionization constant. That is K. K equals to Kw by molarity of water. What is Kw? We know at room temperature or at 25 degrees centigrade, Kw value is 1 into 10 power minus 40 divided by molarity is how much? 55.5. We also written like this by 1000 by 80. When you simplify, 18 comes numerator comes to numerator divided by 10 power minus 14 by 10 cube, right? 10 cube. See how can we change this one? 10 power 3 comes to numerator, it becomes K equals to 18 into 10 power minus 14 into 10 power minus 10 power 3 minus 3. So that equals to 18 into 10 power minus 17 or 1.8 into 10 power minus 16. This is the K. So K value at room temperature or K value at 25 degrees centigrade of water is 1.8 into 10 power minus 16. And the next one is degree of dissociation of water. Next one is we are going to calculate the degree of dissociation of water at 25 degrees centigrade. What is the meaning of degree of dissociation? Degree of dissociation means it is a ratio of number of molecules ionized by total number of molecules. It can be represented by alpha. Alpha equals to number of molecules ionized by total number of molecules. So what is the alpha value for water? Now we will calculate. See, alpha is equals to either the concentration of H plus ion or OH minus ion. We know that value by molarity of pure water. Alpha is equals to 10 power minus 7 by 55.5. We can also written as 1000 by 80. 10 power minus 7 by 10 cube into 18. So alpha equals to 18 into 10 power minus 10 or 1.8 into 10 power minus 9. So this is the alpha value, degree of dissociation of water at 25 degrees centigrade. So this is about ionic product of water. So ionic product of water is how much, students? Kw at 25 degrees centigrade. ionic product of water. How much? 1 into 10 power minus 14 moles square per liter square. For 1 H plus or OH minus ion, 10 power minus 7. What is K value? Dissociation constant value. 1.8 into 10 power minus 60. What is alpha value? 1.8 into alpha means degree of dissociation. 10 power minus 9. And what is the molarity of pure water? 55.5 m. So these values will help us to calculate many problems regarding ionic product of water in ionic equilibrium. Thank you. Please try to practice all these models, try to remember all these values. Okay students, bye.